Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share this video out, and please subscribe to my channel. Y'all, this is breaking news, very good news. I wanted to come on here and share it with my YouTube family. If you didn't get, well, first of all, the IRS is sending out stimulus checks. Now this is different from what I talked about last week, the IRS sending out interest payments. It's not that. This is real stimulus checks the IRS is sending out, and it's very good news. Okay, if you didn't get your first stimulus check, you will be getting it soon. The IRS is hiring 5,000 workers to do nothing but this. They're going to work on this issue alone, and they have been informed to work very fast at getting it done. They will be sending out checks to 50 million Americans, and this is the people that will be getting it as follows. 1. If you didn't get your check, you will be getting it. 2. If you didn't get the right amount, they will be fixing it and sending you the right amount. 3. If you didn't get your dependent amount, you know, they said that you're going to have to wait until next year and file it on your next year's taxes. Well, they've changed that. They're going to send it to you now so you don't have to wait. 4. If your spouse owed back child support and they took the full amount from the whole family, you will be getting your portion of it. You will be getting your dependent's portion of it. Only the spouse owing the child support will lose their portion. Y'all, this is very good news, and they're supposed to be working on it very fast. You will be getting your stimulus checks soon. And the part about not having to wait until next year to file your dependent coverage on your next year's taxes, that's mind-blowing that they've done that. That is very good. So be watching your mail, be watching your bank accounts, because they will be coming. I'm not sure how soon, but they are working on it fast as they can right now. Y'all, I just thought y'all would like to know this. As soon as I found out about it, I said I got to share it. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I love you all. Ciao.